softly fall. The sky grows still, sad clouds refuse to crawl. A drifting wind, half heard in autumn rain, who weeps, who sighs in whispered pain.
In human